17, 18, 19, 20. Number 6 is hit it hard. Push yourself with brief, intense, explosive efforts, both putting your body under resistance load with full body functional movements, like the awesome hex bar deadlift, and of course those high intensity sprint workouts. You don't need to do a lot of this, but it has a tremendous hormonal signaling effect to boost adaptive hormones like testosterone and human growth hormone and give you that anti-aging effect that's so important. You have to put your body under resistance load and push it hard once in a while. A strength training session, a proper session, can last between 10 and 30 minutes. That's all you need just to get those sweeping functional movements going. Run some sprints once in a while. And when you're sprinting or doing sets of heavy weightlifting, take luxurious rest intervals. This will allow your body to regenerate energy and avoid that cellular breakdown from the exhaustive workouts that trash your testosterone and lead to breakdown, burnout, illness, and injury. So it's hitting it hard, brief, intense efforts, strength training, sprinting, and then of course the wonderful micro workouts that you can do throughout the course of a busy day. This is an example of like doing a single set of pull-ups when you walk under the pull-up bar, or pulling on the stretch cords for an effort that lasts for only 30 seconds. Go about your busy day, but sprinkle in these micro sessions along with your formal sessions in the gym and doing the resistance training or the sprinting. Hit it hard.